Hi, hello friends. This is Master Voice. I am going to tell a story. The story consists of fully interesting one, so don't skip it anywhere. Once upon a time, there is a two trees in a village. They stood side by side. One tree is a big tree. The tree name is Raj. Another small tree is a Vijay. They both are enjoying the warm sunshine and cool rainfall. Raj, the taller tree, was proud of his height and strength. He looked down upon Vijay, who was smaller and weaker. One day, a severe storm hit the village. The winds howled and the rains poured down. Raj, confident in his strength, stood firm, but Vijay bent and flexed with the wind. When the storm passed, Raj was uprooted, lying broken on the ground. Vijay, though battered, still stood, his roots deep and strong. The villagers are asked Vijay, "How did you survive the storm?" Vijay replied, "I bent and flexed, yielding to the wind's power. My weakness became my strength." Raj realized too late that his pride and rigidity had led to his downfall. Moral of the story: the story teaches us the importance of humility and flexibility. Sometimes it's our weakness that can become our greatness strengths. By being adaptable and open to change, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. Remember, it's not about being the strongest or the tallest, it's about being resilient and willing to learn and grow. That's all, my friends. Thank you for watching this. Please make subscribe to our channel. Thank you.